Hey guys, it's Freddie with Honesty Pool Service. So, had a message from the customer, stated that his heater was not working. When your heater doesn't run for a long time, and you don't use it for a year, 2 years, whatever, you always have to let it purge the air out of the valve, out of the gas valve, because that will cause it not to work when you need it to. I like to turn it on and off about 3 times and then let it go on its own, because then I'm purging gas into the gas valve so that there's actual gas in there. Just as I speculated, it just hadn't run in a while, but it's working. So just a pro tip of the day, I guess, I suppose. Thank you and take care.